GitGuardian is proud to introduce ggshield AI hooks to stop your AI coding assistants from leaking secrets. AI coding assistants have changed how developers work. They can read files, run commands, and call external tools, speeding up how we deliver code, but also increasing the risk that secrets could leak into log files, into chat message histories, and into the code we produce itself. That's why we've added AI hooks to ggshield, the command line interface that extends the power of the GitGuardian platform into the developer's terminal. Now you can automatically scan for secrets directly inside AI coding tools like Cursor, Claude Code, and GitHub Copilot. The setup for AI hooks is very simple. Once you have ggshield installed, use the command ggshield install -t for type and name the assistant of your choice, and use -m to specify if you want the hook to be set locally, per project, or globally for all projects. After installing the hook, it runs automatically in the background. You can inspect the new hook in the appropriate dot file for your assistant. Now, before any prompt is sent, ggshield scans the content for secrets. Before the assistant uses a tool, it scans commands, file reads, and MCP calls. After tool use, it scans the output and alerts the developer if something sensitive shows up. If a secret is found in a prompt or pre-tool action, ggshield blocks it right away, before anything is sent or executed. It's a practical way to add guardrails to AI-assisted development without slowing your team down. It's just one more way GitGuardian is working to fight secret sprawl and help developers work safely.